Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel. I'm Ruba, and in today's video I'll show you how to add tatreez to your clothes. I'll add a simple motif to my shirt using waste canvas. If you don't know what waste canvas is, please check out the previous video. Here's a list of what we need for today. Obviously, I need my shirt, waste canvas, my motif pattern, embroidery floss with my choice of color, and scissors, a needle, some regular sewing threads, and last but not least, tweezers to help with the last step. So this is all the materials that we need for today. Let's begin. Begin by deciding where you want to add your tatreez. Some people like to add tatreez to different places on the shirt. Some people add tatreez to the sleeves or the sleeve cuffs or the collar. I was thinking originally to add some tatreez motif to the collar, but then I wear a hijab, so it kind of didn't make sense because my scarf will be covering that area. So I eventually decided that I'm gonna add my tatreez motif on the button area over here. So I'm gonna go from the top all the way down. So this is the first step you need to decide. Then you're gonna cut your waist canvas to cover that area that you want to stitch on. If you have your pattern and you know how many stitches you need in width and length, then you can cut also your waist canvas based on that. Keep in mind that you need to leave a little bit of extra waist canvas on each side so that you have a little bit more room to work with, and it would make pulling the waist canvas threads later on a little easier. So this is the first step. Once you decide that, then we will cut our waist canvas and then attach it to the shirt or secure it in the place where we want to do our embroidery. So I usually use a sewing threads and a needle to do that. Some people use pins. I prefer using threads instead. And then I'm just gonna do a quick running stitch, nothing too fancy. I will not tie my thread because eventually I'm gonna pull it out, and I will space them out to make it a little easier to pull in the end. But I will secure it from different places, and I will make sure that my shirt fabric is straight and neat underneath it. If your shirt needs ironing, make sure to do that before you put your waist canvas and paste it on your shirt. So this is the second step. So that's what I'm doing right now. Once I secure my waist canvas in place, now I have a grid attached to my fabric and I can do my tatreez like I would normally do. And I have my pattern. It's a small pattern, floral pattern. So I will start from the bottom and go all the way to the top. I will show you how to do one of them, and then it's gonna be repetition after that. So I'll show you the first one, and then I'll meet you after I finish my shirt. Okay, I just finished my tatreez, and as you can see, I have my motif stitched from the top to the bottom, and it's ready to do the next and last step. Now the last step would be pulling my waist canvas threads. This is not hard, but it's definitely time consuming, and it might require you try a few things. I usually use my hands, but if I struggled a little bit, I can use tweezers. Sometimes I try to cut in different areas to make it a little easier to pull, or I would use needle to help me just loosen them up a little bit. So these are some of the things that I use, and I will just pull these threads one by one, as you can see on the screen. And when I'm done pulling all these threads, I will end up with my tatreez on the shirt that I have. And that's it. That's how you add tatreez to your clothes or any piece of fabric really that you cannot stitch on directly. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you would like to see more pictures of my shirt, please comment down below and let me know that you want to see them. If you have ideas that you would like us to do together, please leave them in the comments down below as well. And I will make sure to make videos to show you how to do it step by step. And with that, we will end today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.